Hey guys, it's Danielle with Octane on Etsy, also of Octane Design Studios, and today I am demoing something new. If you don't know, I have a holiday Etsy store called Octane on Etsy. We love puns, and this is a digital storefront that allows you to DIY create your own holiday fun. Everything from custom holiday cards to labels to menus. And yes, you can create your own custom magic here within my holiday storefront on Etsy. So today, I'm demoing one of our most popular items. Last week, we did our Christmas Eve box, which is very popular right now. But today I'm doing one more thing that's kind of cool and fun and people are picking up on, and that's our personalized wreath photo wrapping paper. This item is super popular. I love that people are finding cool and unique ways to use wrapping this time of year as a way to personalize their Christmas gifts. I am personally doing this during the holiday season with friends and family. This is a great way for people who are far away from the people that they care about or love. This is a great way to personalize something just for them, to let them know that you care and are thinking of them. So, if you don't already follow me at Octane Designs. I'm on Facebook, also on Instagram and Twitter at the same name. So, let's get started with this demo. So if you go through the regular process of purchasing anything on Etsy as a digital download, once you finish that purchase, it will take you to or let you know that you've received an email from Cordial, which is our primary program that we use to do all of our templates with. So once you go into your email, you'll receive an automated message literally saying that thank you for your order with Octane on Etsy. Click the link below to edit your item. So that's what we're going to do. I'm literally going to click on this. All right. Once I click on this, it's going to bring up my wreath. And as you can see currently, it has a template holder, if you will, a placeholder on each item. And what I personally love to do is just kind of showcase how easy it is to swap these out, save them and print them from your phone, from your iPad, or even from your desktop or laptop computers. So this is the template. Once you open it up, this is what it looks like. You have a couple different options here on your left if you're looking at this file from a laptop or desktop computer. These are the two files that I've sent you. The first file, as you can see kind of at the top here, it is at an 11 by 17. The second option is 8.5 by 11. So I'm giving you two different options to use this style of wrapping paper, if you will, depending on what your print options are. Now, mind you, once you download it in either files, the 11 by 17 or 8.5 by 11, you can stretch that if you need to fit any other printing sizes that you're looking for. But I would work with the larger file versus the smaller file in doing so. So let's start with the 11 by 17 inch paper. You simply want to click, and to the right you will see popped up is the replace image button that you can use to replace any of these images. Now today, again, we're just going to demo this. So I'm going to kind of very politely move my screen here. And I'll actually showcase this with you where you can see this. So when we replace an image, we literally click on it. We want to choose an image. You can drop down here. I'm actually going to use myself. Let me see if I can do that real quick. That's kind of cool. I'm going to type in my name. And there's my headshot there. I want to hit save. Once you hit save, you have the ability to move the item however you like and size it how you wish. Now, the cool thing about this wrapping paper is that I gave you the option to do more than one photo. Okay, so it would be much easier, obviously, to dynamically link one object and make them appear in all the other places, but I intentionally did not do that in case you wanted to add different types of photos in here. So it doesn't have to be as consistent. It can be as inconsistent as you like. Say you have 3 cats. I'm using this as an example because we actually had a client do this where they purchased our wrapping paper and they put their 3 cats in each one of these little wreaths and then duplicated those photos. I feel like that was such a personalized way for your pets to have a merry holiday too. So this is a great example again of how easy it is. You click where you want to go, and that could be any image on the screen. Click where you want to go, hit replace image, and then just type in or find the file that you're wanting to use and hit open. Once you hit open, just hit save that you want to use that photo. And again, just size it how you want and stick it right back in here. So again, I'm giving you all kinds of flexibility and creating something unique to yourself. Maybe you have your own sense of style that you want to use. You have that capability as well. So yeah, I'm going to keep on going here just as we're talking. Perhaps you have an idea of a person or thing or place that you want to add to this wrapping paper design. I'll take your suggestions. And then also for people who are watching today, just a heads up that if you're watching me and you share my video tonight, I'll definitely give you a coupon for 10% off just for being a fellow follower and watching me do these demos. These are really important. I feel like this is a great way to showcase, one, our products that I'm really proud of, and then 2, this is a great way for you to personalize your holiday experience. When we're not able to physically be out in all the places and do all the things, we're looking for ways where we can connect with each other. And why not with wrapping paper? All right, we're almost done here. So we've seen cats, we've seen dogs, we've seen kids. Oh, the kids. Who doesn't love seeing the kids' faces on wrapping paper? Maybe this is their personalized gift and you want to gift that to them. This is a great way to do that. Just simply put their face in here and off you go. Maybe it's the group of kids you want to send to the grandparents this year. That's a great idea for those who are not able to be as close to the grandparents physically this year for the holidays. So putting the kids' picture on, or grandkids' pictures on the presents, I think that's a really customized, clean look to have, and it really sends all the personal sentiments to them too. So I just finished our 8.5 by 11 wrapping paper. I put my face in all the appropriate places. I hit my save changes button. That's something I really do want to make sure that you guys know, that you have that ability to save. No matter what you do in the design, you can save it and you can always come back to this design. Now, the difference between saving and approving the proof is that once you approve the proof, you cannot come back and edit this design. So please be aware that when you do approve the proof, it is final. You are done with the design and you're ready to move to the download process. So I actually am pretty okay with this. I'm only going to use the 11 by 17 as an example today. So I'm going to approve proof. When I click approve proof, it's going to ask me, do you really want to do this? Are you sure? And of course, I'm going to say yes. Once I say yes, I'm unable to make any other edits, and it asks me if I want to download it later or download it now. These files come in both PDF and JPEG options, I believe, so I want to download it now. When I click download now, it automatically gives me the option to download as a PDF or JPEG. I'm going to choose a PDF for now. And you may choose a JPEG depending on a mobile phone or device that you're using. And keep in mind that you can always email these files to yourself. You can always log back in here and re-download this up to 5 times. So just keep that in mind as well. So clicking that PDF, it's going to ask the default size or if I want it in a certain size. Again, it's 11 by 17, so that's what I'm shooting for. Now, the cool thing about Cordial that I really appreciate is the fact that you have the ability to kind of print more than one thing on more than one page. So I don't have that option today, but maybe when we go into tags in a future demo, we can actually take a look at that and see how that shows up on our pages. But for now, I'm going to untoggle this option. Once I untoggle this option, it shows that I have page of one. This is a PDF, and I'm just going to hit the download button at the very bottom. When you use a phone, you have that option also. Just make sure you scroll all the way down to the right-hand side to make sure that button to download is there. Okay. So my design is currently being downloaded. And as it's being downloaded, I'm going to be able to pull it up here in just a second. Woohoo! All right, so now that this is up, you see me in all my glory, right? So you have the ability to literally print this. And I'm going to show you a print preview of what that looks like. It is literally my face doing all the things. And you have the ability to print 11 by 17. You can choose the type of paper this is. Right now it's on letter. Let's get it to maybe a little bit longer than that. Let's go to legal and see what that looks like real quick. So, again, you may have some trimming to do a little bit on the sides, but that's so worth it considering if you're printing from home. So what I've seen a lot of people do is two things. One, they'll either print this on a little bit of a gloss, thin paper at home, or they will take it to like a local copy store like an Office Depot or Staples and just print color copies either on regular copy paper or again on like a thin gloss text coat paper. So those are options that you have when you're wrapping your gifts. I'm going to hit cancel because I'm not printing right now, but this is a great way to demonstrate to you guys how easy it is to use Cordial to create your own custom designs through Octane on Etsy. Again, my store, octaneonetsy.com, has a lot of options for you to play around with. We have custom cards for every occasion. That is Hanukkah, Christmas, let's see here, Yule, Kwanzaa, and New Year's. So if you are celebrating anything during the holiday season this year, keep in mind that Octane has options for you to digitally make that happen quick and efficiently. Next week, we'll probably do a live demo that includes a label. We do have some premium design suites that include not only the card itself, but a return address label so that you don't have to worry about anything design-wise for your holiday seasonal cards. So thanks guys for watching Octane on Etsy's live demo tonight. We'll continue to do more in the future and continue to find ways to gift joy this holiday season. Catch you next time.